Hi guys, happy Wednesday. I hope you're having a great Wednesday. I hope you enjoyed a fun day inside yesterday. We built a fort with cardboard boxes, so we enjoyed it. I am going to kind of go over what you're doing today. So just let me know if you have any questions. Okay, so for ELA today, you are going to ask 3 questions about a nonfiction book that you read today. So I put little snippets of a nonfiction book that I found on Epic. Remember, you can use the books that you read on Epic. That's okay. So the book that I chose was about water. And so in that first page, after reading that first page, I might say, how many animals live in the water? It talks about several different ones that live in the water, but maybe I might ask, how many animals live in the water? Okay. And then the next page that I chose says that there's too much water or too little water, and it talks about what happens. So maybe I might ask, what happens when there is too little water? That question could probably be answered on that page, but that's okay too. Then in my third page, that page is about water and weather. So I might ask, how does water affect the weather? And again, it could be answered on that page or maybe not answered on that page. Maybe something that we have to go to another book and find the answer to. But you're just going to ask 3 questions about the nonfiction book that you're going to read. It can be answered in the book or not answered in the book, and that's okay. So here are the direction page, and this gives you 2 little examples. So you might say, I wonder how penguins stay warm. And I know that's not a question, but that would be an example of something that you can write. And then it gives readers ask questions. They say, I wonder why, or where does, or what is this? And so you could use those starters if you're having a hard time as your questions. 3 questions about what you're reading, your nonfiction story. Okay. Again, these are your strategies. Today, we are talking about adding 4 addends. So 4 2-digit numbers. Again, your answer is never going to be bigger than 1,000, but this is adding 4 2-digit numbers. And you can do that with base 10 blocks like the picture, or you can do it in expanded form, whichever way you like. These give kind of the directions, the rundown of both ways. And then if you want to do it in base 10 blocks, just remember our rule. When we get 10 ones, we circle and make a 10. If we get 10 tens, we circle and make 100. And then you're crossing them out and adding and counting just what's left over once you've created those new ones. And we'll try to go over this a little bit in our Google Meet coming up as well. So if you need help, just let me know, and I can help you. But there are 3 problems down at the bottom. They want you to use base 10 blocks or expanded form. Okay, there is a great teaching video, so use that, and then some other online practice. All right, we've been talking about careers in social studies. So today you get to play careers charades. You're going to find someone in your house to play charades with you, or you can do it with a friend virtually. Maybe have mom or dad set up your own Google Meet or your own Zoom meeting with a friend. I know Sierra's been doing that a lot with her cousins. You're going to act out a career, no words, just acting it out, and see if your friend, he or she, could guess the job that's being performed. So make sure you're taking turns. You act out one, you guess one. Some jobs you may want to role play, like you might have to do the firefighter. You might have to act like you're putting out a fire, or a nurse, or a construction worker. I also want you to think about jobs that maybe you don't think about very often. There's a little video down at the bottom that might help you think about some different jobs. Definitely think of some that are working now and helping us in our communities now. That they are very important. All right, today is PE. You're back to that 1-minute fitness challenge. So see if you can keep your score. If you can beat your scores from the past, and then hold on to your scores this week to see if you can beat them next week. And then today you're going to do 25 back leg kicks for each leg. So you're going to kick backwards with each leg 25 times. All right, guys, let me know if you need me. I hope you have a great Wednesday, and I'll see you tomorrow maybe at our Google Meet. Bye.